Welcome back, space enthusiasts. We're back with another little-known fact. You know the importance of light in our world today. It is a medium that makes everything make sense. How reflection and refraction makes us differ between millions of objects, billions of faces, and whatnot. Yet we are only able to see a small fraction of light, called visible light. There are animals that are able to see much more than we can. A larger spectrum of light. Just imagine the repercussions. Would it be a blessing or a curse if we could see larger spectrum of light? A world with much more information at your disposal. With our current neurological processing speed, we are only able to focus on so much. If we had much more information that we have today, we might not have evolved at all, simply because too much information is equally useless as no information. What if we evolved our processing speed too? What if we could focus on multiple things at the same time? A miracle world would unfold before us. We would grow like never before, think like never before. What if light behaved differently? What if it didn't care about gravity? Information would scatter all around the universe. Unreadable. Unapproachable. We don't even think about it, but light takes time to convey information. When you look at the sun, you are looking at how sun was 8 minutes ago. If sun was to suddenly go dark, you wouldn't know it for 8 whole minutes. Unbelievable. We all know that light bends near heavier objects like black holes. But why does it do that? We all know that light is made up of photons that carry no mass. And, as we all know, gravity attracts objects with mass. If it has no mass, then shouldn't it remain unaffected due to gravity? We wouldn't have known answer to this enigma if it weren't for Einstein. He enlightened us, told us that gravity warps space-time like a fabric. A fabric will warp if a heavier object is set free in it. This warped space has the answer hidden amongst it. Since light travels in a straight line, it always takes the shortest path between 2 points. It displaces, as you may call it. The warped space changes the dynamics. The shortest path isn't a straight line anymore. Like a hole in the ground, the shorted path is somewhat away from the center. It may look like a circular and longer path, but since space-time fabric has crumbled, now, this constitutes as the shortest path. How mesmerizing! To understand it better, consider a mountain 1,000 meters high and 400 meters in diameter. If you have to go around it, would you go over it or would you take a circular path to reach around it? What would the shortest path be? We will be back with another enlightening video. Comment your views below.